it's Chantal with Truma, and I am here to talk about how to drain your AquaGo. So we're going to start with how to open the AquaGo door. So what you're going to do is turn the AquaGo latch to the left, and then that will open the door. This door will open in two positions. This is position number 1, which allows you access to the rocker switch on the appliance, but then you can take it and lift the door out of the slots, dropping it all the way down to open. You do want to take care that you do not ever jerk the door open when it's still in the slots at the bottom of the frame. If you do that, you will crack the door and the entire door will need to be replaced. Once you have the AquaGo door open, what you need to do is to make sure that the water system is depressurized. So you will want to make sure there is no pressure in the water system by turning off your inside water supply and then opening up a faucet inside of the vehicle until the water stops flowing. Once the system is depressurized, what you'll do is take your thumbs and lift up on the latch right here on the AquaGo at the Easy Drain lever, and you'll lift that up. You will drop that lever all the way down, and then you're going to remove this filter cartridge. Once this filter cartridge is removed, it's impossible for the AquaGo to hold water inside. Notice that when this is dropped down, it is a chute that will push the water away from the sidewall of the RV to avoid any staining of water on the sidewall of your coach. So that's a nice feature that we've put in that makes it very simple. And then once the system is drained, if you want to store the unit for winter with the system drained, leave this filter removed, snap the Easy Drain lever back in place, and it is that simple. So the filter cartridge slides nicely in this spot here below the circuit board on the AquaGo. And then if you put your door back in place, and you're on your way.